Yeah, good morning everyone. So in this video I'm going to be talking about one pattern that when it happens in the market, I'm going to guarantee you the chances of it playing out or moving in your favor is like 99.9%. So let's move and check out mostly where it happens. So when you look at GBP USD, so this trade pattern, mostly when the daily time frame makes a break and retest. So this is my A+ setup, and when it happens, the chances of me even borrowing money to bet on this is very high. So you can notice that there was a breakout over here. The daily time frame made created a resistance. Okay, so when you get the daily time frame creating a resistance and the H4 time frame, so this was the pattern. Okay, let me delete this one. This was the pattern. This was the pattern that we are talking about. So if you move to the H4 time frame, you get it, and the H4 time frame trend is also in line with the daily time frame, and it has broken and retested on the key level. This kind of trade setup is going to guarantee you 100% chances of playing in your favor. So when you move to, we're having a lot of times that the same thing happens on so you see I've been testing on this one. If you check on USD JPY, it's played out perfectly. The same thing if you move to the daily time frame, it just made a perfect break. The daily time frame created a resistance and it continued. The same thing happened on especially when you are trading currencies. This one happens most often. But if you are trading volatile instruments like gold and the US30 BTC, I think it plays out though. But one thing is it's not going to, currencies takes time to play out, but those volatile pairs normally moves very fast, so you are not going to get it. It's going to move very fast. But if you are trading currencies and you are applying this principle, you see the daily time frame made a break, retested, created a resistance. If you move to the H4 time frame, it just played out it's sell. The same thing happens over here, it just sell. So this morning, same thing is happening on Euro USD. If you move to the daily time frame, the daily time frame has just, if you change it to a line chart, you can see there was a perfect breakout. It has made a retest. The daily time frame has created a resistance. You get it. If you move to the H4 time frame, the H4 time frames too has broken out, made a perfect resistance. But I think this one never, it just moved, it broke the previous candle low because of today is Friday and we are having NFP2 as well. So the market is slow, waiting for the news to be released before it will just take off. So it's also going to move massively, if I'm very sure, if the NFP, because with NFP they are expecting low numbers. Okay, so if they are expecting low numbers, I'm expecting the dollar to be very weak. So the chances that euro might be strong is very high. So let's see how it's going. But this is one of the setups that I normally admire to bet high on them. You get it, especially it's played out on Euro USD2 as well. So these are the setups that I normally go in with a high